What is Blend and how to use it on Instagram chat? Instagram's Blend feature is a new way to share and discover Reels with friends directly within your DMs. It creates a shared feed of Reels tailored to the interests of you and your chat partners, refreshing daily to keep content fresh and engaging. It merges the viewing habit of you and your friends to generate a custom feed of Reels, allowing you to explore content that resonates with your group. Each reel is tagged with the name of the person it was suggested for, making it easy to see whose algorithm brought it into the mix. Now, how to use Instagram Blend? For that, navigate to one-on-one or group DM. Once you're in the conversation, at the top right, you're gonna find the friend icon. You'll find this blend icon over there. You'll need to click on it. Now, send an invite to others in the chat. Once at least one person accepts, the blend feed is created. Tap the blend icon to view and interact with the shared Reels feed. You can react to Reels, and your responses will appear in the chat, sparking conversations around the content. Blend is currently rolling out to users in selected regions. If you don't see the blend icons in your chats, ensure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version and check back later. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can use Instagram Blend feature. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.